Hello everyone, my name is Givmo Maguju and welcome back to this section where I will show you how to install the Python application that you have downloaded. So now as you can see, my Python application has finished downloading. So I can choose to open it to launch it now, or I can choose to launch it from the download folder like this. So as you can see, it's in the downloads folder, so I can choose to launch it here, but I just want to show you something. So when you launch your Python application, you will get to this first window. This window will come up, and then you need to choose. For me, I go with add Python add Python to path, right? Mind you, this is the documentation for Python 3.8. Now we are using Python 3.9.4, but anyway, the standard installation is just the same. So you can just click here, add Python to path, and that's it. And then keep all other Python installation settings as is, and then you are done. Then that's it for this section.